Hello everyone, I'm going to take you through how to install Python on Mac. But before we go straight to the installations, I would like us to check if we have a pre-installed version of Python on this Mac system. We need to check how updated it is and if it can help us with our study. So first of all, use the command spacebar buttons. It opens a Spotlight search window. Now in this Spotlight search window, you type terminal. Now, Mac Terminal is a command line system. It allows you to make changes to your Mac and also helps you control your Mac. Now, in the terminal window, we can see my last login and then the user name, the user login. Now, to find out if Python is already installed, you simply type Python and enter. Now, yes, Python is installed, but it's a 2.7.16 version. And for purposes of this channel and this course, I would advise that we use a very current or a recent version of Python. And in so doing, we would have to terminate the Python Mac terminal and go straight to any of the browsers we feel comfortable using. Now, in the address bar, we simply type python.org. Now it takes us to a Python website. Now Python is free, so you shouldn't worry. Now under the downloads, we click on downloads, then we proceed to download Python 3.9.0, latest version for Mac OS. Now I'm done with the downloads already, so we can skip this. You continue with the downloads, and when you are done with the downloads, you go to your downloads folder and you click on what you've downloaded, the Python application you've downloaded. Now the installation interface pops up. Then you continue throughout the interface from introduction to readme to license to destination select, installation, and then to your summary. So I'm done with all this. So when you're done with the installation, you can come down to your Finder, go to Applications, and click on Python 3.9. Now, because we'll be using Python idle very frequent, I'll just drop that down here so that I wouldn't have to go to Applications every time I need to open it. So now, I open Python idle. Now, this place helps me run lines of code. It's an interactive mode. So you write the code and you get an immediate output if you want. So for example, we can try something like hello world. And there it is. We can also try something like and there it is. But there's another aspect of Python, what we've installed, which is the Python script. Now this other area helps us to compile codes. That's where we actually do most of the coding. You compile the codes and you run it when you're done. And for you to open the Python script, you go to File. If you have one opened, you load it already, or you open a new file. Now this is the Python script. Now it allows you to compile codes here and later run it when you are done coding. So this is all for installation and then running Python idle scripts and then the shell. So thank you very much. I look forward to seeing you next week. Don't forget to subscribe and like.